Today we're diving into the latest and coolest tech wonders that are reshaping our world. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech-packed adventures. Ready to embark on this journey? Let's get started. Bang Olufsen BeoPlay HX over-ear headphones. Immerse yourself in a world of sound with the trendy resurgence of over-ear headphones, where style meets substance in the sleek design of Bang & Olufsen. Picture yourself enveloped in luxurious comfort as soft leather embraces your ears, while metallic hardware adds a touch of sophistication to each earphone. But it's not just about looks. The Bang & Olufsen headphones promise an auditory experience like no other. With every beat, every note, you'll feel the music resonate deep within your soul, transporting you to a realm of pure bliss. And let's talk about those colors: copper, maroon, silver, and black, each one exuding its own unique charm, reflecting your individuality and taste. Whether you're making a bold statement or keeping it understated, there's a shade to match every mood and style. So, why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your audio experience with Bang & Olufsen? Step into a world where luxury meets technology and let your music take you on a journey beyond imagination. All links in the description await your discovery. Vssl Wilderness Navigation Flask and Flashlight. Trade in your traditional flat-shaped flasks for the Vssl Outdoor Flask, your ultimate companion for on-the-go hydration and preparedness. This innovative flask isn't just for quenching your thirst. It's equipped to help you navigate tricky travel situations. Featuring a built-in emergency, multi-mode LED flashlight, an aluminum bottle opener, and a precision compass topper, the Vssl Outdoor Flask has you covered for any adventure. With a capacity of up to 8 ounces of liquid and 2 collapsible stainless steel 1.5-ounce cups tucked inside, you're prepared for any beverage occasion. Plus, its double insulation and double vacuum seal ensure your drinks stay cold for up to 10 hours and hot for up to 5. Crafted from rugged yet stylish stainless steel, the 9.3-inch high cylindrical design is built to withstand the elements. And with a magnetic carabiner clip, it's perfect for attaching to your backpack during a day hike or a far-flung train ride. Just remember, if you find yourself lost, you may need to sacrifice any remaining liquid to use the flashlight and compass pieces as end caps. Stay prepared and hydrated wherever your adventures take you with the Vssl Outdoor Flask. Don't miss out. Click, share, and subscribe now. Sony ZV-1 digital camera for content creators. Are you tired of missing out on capturing those magical moments during your travels? Whether you're embarking on a road trip or jetting off to exotic destinations, having the perfect travel camera can make all the difference. Enter the Sony ZV-1 digital camera, a companion tailored to meet the needs of adventurers and creators like you. With its full-frame sensor and interchangeable lens capabilities, the ZV-E1 captures stunning imagery with cinematic quality, ensuring that every memory is preserved in vivid detail. But that's not all. Experience the expressive versatility of 4K at 60p, upgradable to 4K at 120p, allowing you to push the boundaries of creativity and bring your vision to life in breathtaking clarity. Even in the most challenging lighting conditions, the ZV-1 excels, maintaining low noise with ISO sensitivity up to 49,600. Dive into cinematic vlog settings like S-Cinetone, CleanX Ocean, ChickX Forest, and Mono, adding depth and richness to your content, evoking emotions with every frame. Benefit from stable framing with AI, in-camera time-lapse, and unprecedented stabilization for smooth, professional-grade footage that captures the essence of your adventures. AI-based precision focus ensures that your subjects are always sharp and clear, while natural skin tones enhance the overall aesthetic, making every shot a masterpiece. Whether you're capturing product reviews or dynamic shots on the go, the ZV-1 offers AI-based auto-framing for seamless shooting, allowing you to focus on what matters most, capturing unforgettable moments. And with seamless smartphone connectivity, high-quality live streaming is at your fingertips, enabling you to share your adventures with the world in real time, unlocking your full creative potential and inspiring others to embark on their own journeys. Don't let another moment pass you by. Unlock your creativity and elevate your content with the Sony ZV-1 digital camera. It's time to capture the magic of your travels like never before. Apollo Neuro. Meet Apollo Neuro, the first wearable device designed to actively combat stress for improved focus, better sleep, and overall well-being. With Apollo, you can now choose how you want to feel, thanks to its gentle waves of vibration, clinically proven to reduce stress levels. Putting on your Apollo is the first step to a more balanced life. Simply select your desired goal in the app and let the waves of vibration work their magic. Apollo is grounded in neuroscience, tapping into the power of our nervous system to promote relaxation and resilience. Stress can disrupt our ability to focus and sleep, but Apollo helps restore balance by signaling safety to the body through gentle vibrations. Take control of stress and face whatever challenges come your way with confidence. This innovative technology, developed by physicians and neuroscientists, leverages our natural responses to touch. Trials have shown improvements in cognitive performance, focus, and heart rate variability. With goal-based modes like energy and wake up, clear and focused, and sleep and renew, Apollo offers a personalized approach to stress management. Experience the transformative power of Apollo Neuro and unlock your full potential today. inCharge XL. Tired of carrying multiple chargers for your gadgets while traveling? The rolling square inCharge 6-in-1 charger is here to solve that problem. This compact charger consolidates 6 different charging ports into one portable device that easily attaches to your keychain. With 2 USB-A and USB-C ports, it supports USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB connections, allowing you to charge or sync multiple devices simultaneously. What's more, you can even transfer power from one device to another, making it perfect for those long travel days. Just note that this feature requires using the USB-C input. Despite its incredible versatility, the charger's only drawback is that you may need to remove your device case for a proper fit. But with its affordable price tag, it's definitely worth the investment. The RIEMOT luggage cup holder. If you've ever wished for a more hands-free airport experience, the RIEMOT luggage travel cup holder has got you covered. This clever travel accessory easily attaches to your carry-on trolley handle, providing a convenient spot to store your drink and essentials while on the go. With front pockets designed to hold water bottles, baby bottles, or coffee cups, and a back sleeve for your phone or travel documents, you can say goodbye to awkward balancing acts. Whether you're waiting at the gate or navigating through the airport, this cup holder ensures your hands remain free for other tasks. Just make sure your luggage has 4 wheels to avoid any spillage mishaps while in motion. Say hello to a smoother, more relaxed travel experience with the RIEMOT luggage travel cup holder. Go neck pillow. You've likely come across the innovative Ostrich Original napping pillow in your targeted ads, a game-changing, albeit peculiar-looking pillow designed to transform any space into a cozy nap haven during your travels. The concept may seem unusual at first glance. You have to stick your head and hands inside it. However, this comfy and plush pillow effectively blocks out sound and light, creating a serene and cushioned cocoon that promotes better sleep. Simply slide in and rest your head on your tray table or against a wall or window to enjoy a peaceful and private nap environment. While it may draw some curious looks, the Ostrich Original napping pillow is a top choice for travelers prioritizing comfort and quality sleep. Sensate relaxation device. Traveling can be stressful, which is why investing in this mini therapeutic device could be a game changer for some mid-flight relaxation. Harnessing subtle vibrations on the chest to target the nervous system, this device emits soothing soundscapes that help relax the body in a non-invasive manner. What's more, its compact size, no bigger than a hand, makes it incredibly convenient to travel with, ensuring you can enjoy its benefits wherever your journey takes you. Philips Sonicare Protective Clean Electric Toothbrush. Introducing Philips Sonicare Protective Clean for an amazingly effective yet gentle clean. Its sonic sweeping motion creates gentle micro bubbles that reach deep between teeth. With our pressure sensor, you'll be alerted if you brush too hard. Protective Clean removes up to 7x more plaque. Plus, Brush Sync technology tracks your usage and notifies you when it's time to replace your brush head. BEVLEDGE Airplane Window Organization Station. Are you tired of juggling your belongings while traveling on airplanes? Meet the BEVLEDGE, a game-changing device designed to revolutionize your flying experience. Crafted to fit seamlessly into most major commercial aircraft windows, the BEVLEDGE is thin, portable, and durable. With its innovative design, it easily slides into the window shade track, creating a convenient space for you to work, relax, or enjoy your favorite beverage. And that's a wrap, tech enthusiasts. If you found something mind-blowing or have ideas for future content, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with your fellow techies. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. Thanks for tuning in to Top Tech Trends, where the future is always in focus. Until next time, stay curious, stay techie.